This is a 1954 Smith Corona Silent Super. It has been restored with a new platen and it is ready to type. The Smith Corona Silent Super is in excellent condition. Has nice spring keys. There's new rubber on the platen. The finish is in pretty good shape. It's got a few nicks and blemishes. There's a light mark across here. So there's a nick here. Overall, it's in really good shape. A little bit of a nick here. Also included with this machine is a reprinted user's manual and an extra ribbon, still new, and the original case, which is in pretty good shape. It does have a little bit of wear. But it has been cleaned and it is solid and it does latch well. That's for the 1954 Smith Corona Silent Super.